everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I'm here in the UK, and this is where I do all my knitting and my crocheting and do all my videos and tutorials. So yeah, this is my happy place, guys. So today I'm going to be announcing the winner of the sock yarn giveaway. And just to refresh your memory what the sock yarn giveaway is all about, you're going to get a 2.5mm 80cm circular needles. You're going to get some light bulb stitch markers. You're going to get a little notepad with swans. You're going to get a pen, and you're going to get some tapestry hooks. But the main thing you're going to get is this beautiful sock yarn from Paul Ply Yarn, which is Daniel, and this is called Banana. This is the banana sock kit, so I'll show you what it's. So it's lovely yellows and greys. So without further ado, let's move across to the computer and pick the lucky winner. Hey guys, so this is the video. I've copied the URL. I'm going to paste it into the random comment picker. Filter, the word was a banana. Banana, and do the little sum, which is, and let's get the comments, guys. 144. So let us now go across, and good luck everybody. Thank you all so much for commenting. Kim, great giveaway. I eat a banana every morning in my cereal. So guys, I'm just going to go across to make sure Kim is subscribed to my channel. And unfortunately, I can't pick her because I can't see the channel content. So let's go back and pick another winner. So good luck everybody. Margaret Barlow, beautiful banana sock. Merry Christmas, Linda. So let's see if I can see if channels. Right, I'm just going to stop it here, guys, and see if she's actually subscribed. There I am. Indeed, she is indeed subscribed to me. So, congratulations, Barbara. You are my December yarn winner, sock yarn winner. Congratulations, Margaret Barlow, you are my winner. Yay! So what I need for you to do, Margaret, is email me at this email address here with your postal address. Now guys, as you can, it's coming up to the holiday season, so I will post your parcels out in January, because here in the UK our postmen are on strike. And between after Christmas, and they're on strike this week, they're on strike next week, so I don't want to put it in the post office and it get lost, so I'm going to wait for the new year, guys. So Margaret, I will post your parcel out. Margaret, you have got until the 1st of no, you've not. Tina noticed. You have got until the 31st, is there 31 days in December? Yes, there are. Sorry, guys, lost the plot. So, Margaret, you need to contact me by the 31st of December. I'm giving you a little longer because it's the holiday period. So the 31st of December, if I've not heard anything back from Margaret, then I will pick another winner. Okay guys, so take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.